Welcome friends, a big hello from Yotto. Today we will be demonstrating one of our most innovative offerings, Yotto Patent Analytics. We also call this solution as Yotto. Yotto Patent Analytics is a patent analysis and optimization solution. We will take a quick tour about the background of Yotto and then go straight into the Yotto Patent Analytics solution. Here is the flow of this discussion. Let's start with the Yotto's definition of analytics. Our definition of analytics is simple. Anything which helps our customers take intelligent decisions based on comprehensive data discovery. Our analytical solutions are based on one data foundation and include structured, unstructured, and machine data sets. Yotto believes strongly in the application of a combination of statistical, business, and deep technical expertise. Our key differentiator lies in our heavy usage of ready-to-deploy solutions across the key sectors of retail, energy, and financial services. These solutions can be considered as products at the alpha stage of development and can be implemented with a minimal customization. Yotto is a 6-month young company, and we already have 6 key solutions cutting across the key sectors of retail, energy, and financial services. The solution in focus today is Yotto Patent Analytics. Yotto Patent Analytics is a framework for analyzing and optimizing worldwide patent information and deriving actionable intelligence based out of it. Before we start with the actual demo, let me summarize quick facts. All of this started when we were reached out by the intellectual properties team of one of the Fortune 500 petrochemical companies. This prospective customer of ours was deeply involved in the research and synthesis of new polymer molecules. One of the core activities for the IP team was to analyze and derive actionable intelligence. None of the existing platforms were able to help them out. Hence, they asked us to look into the leading products and suggest. The first product which we evaluated was Thomson Reuters Thomson Innovation and Data Analyzer. This product had a lot of advantages. For example, it consolidated patent data from 48 geographies. It was a seasoned player, but it had a lot of gaps when it came to advanced analytics. The next product which we analyzed was the USPTO Full Text and Image Search Database. Once again, it was good as a search tool, but it had minimal or no real analytic capabilities. The last product which we analyzed was Google Patents. Google Patents consolidates data across geographies. It has around 7 million historical records. But then when it came to advanced analytics, it was another patent search engine and it did not provide any analytic capabilities. Our findings are summarized in the following slide. Current patent analytics services or tools are either a custom consulting assignment or really inadequate for any advanced analytical needs. All these solutions demand a very high investment and the ROI realization time is long. Disruptive technologies such as Elasticsearch, R, Solar, Hung, they have changed the entire analytics ecosystem. These products do not leverage, hence they leave a gap. Let's start our demo by logging into the system. The current dashboard has 4 tiers. The first tab is the Overview tier. The Overview tier provides an overall view of the patent landscape. As you can see on top of the dashboard, you can see a unique feature called tickers. And in this ticker, you can see the total number of patents by country and by city. The first chart, which we see now, provides the trend in patents across regions by time. If we hover over the chart, the actual numbers beneath the lines, for example, the peak for the APAC region was reached in the year 2013 and the total patents were 6,453. The next chart which we see now, chart number 2, provides the total patents by region. Chart number 3 in this dashboard provides the total number of patents by countries in our peeling slider chart. This chart helps us in identifying the most active geographies in the patent space. For example, we can clearly see that Japan has the highest number of patents filed across time. I would like you to focus on chart number 4, which provides the famous BCG growth share metrics for identifying the stars and the laggards in the overall patent space. For example, we see that section H and region EMEA is the star. Let's move to the next dashboard tab. The next dashboard tab is the focus tab. As you can see on top of the dashboard, we have filters provided which can restrict the analysis. We can restrict the analysis by section, we can restrict the analysis by patent class, the patent subclass. Chart number 5 gives us a key trend in the total number of patents filed in. We can clearly see that the dominating section is section H. Section H derives from WIPO classifications. Chart number 6 further shows us that inside the section H, the most dominating class is H01. Chart number 7 further confirms our discovery in a tabular format. H01, which stands for Basic Electrical Elements, is the most dominating class in this entire patent data set. Finally, chart number 8 confirms that Japan is one of the leading geographies which is dominating in the class H and subclass H01. Let us continue our analysis and move to the next dashboard tier, which is the action tier. Chart number 9 shows us some very exciting patterns. For example, we can notice that the subclass G0001 had a sudden jump in patents between 2011 and 2013, while the next category L002, there has been a sudden decline. Let's move to the last tab of the solution, which is the Insight tab. The Insight tab, chart number 13, it provides a predictive analytics model using R. This chart, based on historical pattern, does a forecast for all the possible patents in a possible subclass in the next 5 years. As we are showing you now, it is possible to go and make a note of all these patents and then take action and close the loop. For example, we are going to send an email and close the loop. Let me summarize what we did today. We started with a global view of patent across the globe. We identified the leading classes, subclasses and geographies for this patent data set. We identified the inventors behind these patents. And finally, we closed the loop by ingesting this discovery into our patent portfolio systems through an email. Have a good day. Thank you.